Hello everybody, welcome back. In this episode we're going to be looking at Unreal Engine's monthly free content in their Unreal Engine Asset Store. Okay, so we got 5 new plugins or characters or whatever you should call them for the Unreal Asset Store that are completely free for this month alone. We have 1, 2, 3 environment plugs and 1 visual effects and 1 character. Now let's take a look at these, starting from the Stone Pine Forest. Over here it says, beautiful rural environment, untouched natural and settled versions of main map, game ready optimization with seamless level of detail transition. Alright, let's take a look. Yep, this looks really good. I like that water. Wow. Very nice, very expanded open world here. You can probably use this as like a test place for your open world game if you want to try it out. Not only like the houses and the streets, but it also has different types of trees here, from the more pine trees to the more usual kind of trees. You can make your own little forest. Yeah, you can pretty much do whatever you want in this level. And now we go to the Mega Effects Pack number 1. This already is looking pretty interesting right here. Starting off with a beam effect. Look at the particles, look at the evanescence, it is so good. Here we got a nice little feature effect. And another one, but a more linear one. Oh, that's nice. Here you got your little item icons here that you can use for level ups and stuff. Over here you can see how the effects can affect the actor when you're looking at this ball here. Oh, and there's a bunch of like different ice effects. Gunshots, nice. Explosion. An explosion with like the big encompassing orange area around it. That's pretty cool. I wonder if like this is one example of their elemental powers that they have, and there's actually many different versions of this. That'd be pretty cool. And over here you can see some more of how the little items here affect the actor. You can make it look like it's completely covering it, or it's just hovering on top of it, or it has a little bit of a sparkle effect right here. That's pretty cool. And ooh, these are like little portals or aura effects right here. And I like how they got a lot of different ones here. You can really stylize them however you want to. And you could even probably customize it a little more once you download it and get inside the blueprints and whatnot. And over here you got the beam shot effects. Simple beam shots here. Not like the big ones that you saw before, but this is pretty nice. Like, it not only has the beam, but it also has like blasting off effect right here. That's pretty neat. And some more gunshot effects. Oh, I like the circle right here. That is a nice touch. And the way that the little firing effects spread out like this. Oh, a rocket launcher effect. That's pretty cool. Oh, and you can see in the background more gunshot effects. And you can see how the impact effect is very different depending on which one you want to use. You have the classic one, the one that has the blasting off effect going on the sides like a triangle, and then you have this one that looks like a little different, like a little whizzing by bullet. That's pretty cool. And you got your beam effects, and you got a lot of different styles. You could say fire, water, wind, earth, and darkness maybe, or just make it whatever you want. You know, you will have a lot of options here, and you can make them even more unique if you customize them. And the next one is a castle. Sunset Modular Medieval Brick Buildings. Oh, from XS Game Studio, another environmental plugin. Let's see here. This is pretty nice. Sunset Anniversary Edition. This is also made for version 5.0 of Unreal Engine. As you can see here, you have like a cool little smoke effect with the firework in there. And you also get internal view. Oh, that's pretty cool. You can get into the cathedral. You can pretty much also use this as like a level design for testing a video game if you wanted to. You got a lot more interior designs than I originally thought. Wow. I like how they painted like the growth and the moss effect on the walls. That's actually pretty cool. Makes it look a lot more natural. Leaves at the background there could use a little more work, but maybe that's just the level of detail that they got going on. Some more internal shots. That's pretty nice. Oh, fake interior materials. Oh, I guess what you see inside the window is not like an actual thing, but like an image made to look like it's being shown from the window. And I also just like how the window looks all scratched up and stuff. Makes it look more worn out. Atmospheric lighting, yeah, and a nice cathedral. 4 complementary building styles. Oh, and you get some variety here. Looks like some more shots of the castle right here. Moss overlay material. Oh, it must be referring to the roof over here, as you can see like some moss growing on the top. That's pretty nice. And some more shots of the courtyard and the road. Oh, what's this? Parallax occlusion mapping with pixel depth offset. Ah, look at how the lighting affects the material here. What if this is like actually being rendered live and it's not just baked into it? That'd be pretty cool if that was the case. Some more shots of the castle. And oh, look at that. If you wanted to make the castle, all the buildings your own way, now you can. You can just take all the pieces and basically assemble it however you want to. You can make it look as realistic or as unrealistic as possible. You know, just go crazy, go wild. The next one is a Rift Kit. Oh, like an underwater level, it seems. Rift Kit by DA Band. Okay, so I do like that they also have a special kind of filter to really give that effect that it's underwater. And you're making things look a little bit more blue, making things in the background be more easily faded, and obviously the nice lighting that shows up from the top. Like I don't think this is actual water simulation. I just think it's a special filter to make it look like it's underwater. And here you can basically use all the pieces that you saw there to make your own underwater level. You even get the fishes in some areas. Like you even get a lot of rock formations and even like the worn out engine piece that fell down. That's pretty cool. And the last one is a character thing. It's called Horse Starter Kit. Animals for your game environments and by living systems. Add rideable horses to your game. Entire pipeline included. Very customizable. Oh, that's pretty cool. So you can basically add these horses into your game and have them as rideable mounts. Oh, they got different modes and even different levels of details. Oh, that's pretty cool depending on how far you want it to be. That is pretty efficient too. Wow. Going from almost 50,000 vertices all the way down to barely 2,000. I wonder if they have like their own AI. But yeah, you can like take out these horses and put them in your own levels. Like you can put them in the environment levels that we just shown you, and just go crazy at it. But yeah, these are the 5 free plugins for this month on the Unreal Engine Asset Store. They're going to be there for the entirety of May, so you might want to act fast and get them all before other people decide to get some new ideas with these. And just looking at the banner here, you can get some cool ideas on what you can do. You can put the horses in the big levels, make them ride, you can make them have superpowers and make them do crazy things. You just the possibilities are endless. I hope you liked today's video. Please leave a comment and a like down below if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. We really depend on as many views, subscribes, and likes as possible for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.